Guy Magnet by James Scott is a relationship program. This program teaches women how they can become instantly attractive to any man. Guy Magnet provides the key to every man's heart. This program contains step-by-step techniques and information that any woman can use to get the attention of any man. The man will chase and fall in love with the woman that chooses him. The methods shared in this program are very powerful and will make a man cry for your attention. What will you learn from Guy Magnet? One of the things that make Guy Magnet more effective and many better than other systems is all that you will learn. The following is just a small sample of what you will learn to meet your Mr. Right. Guy Magnet teaches you proven methods. These methods can be used to apply your thoughts into any man's mind. This man will then know what you want. He will understand what your needs are. You will learn some very important tips that can be used to make sure the guy is getting over any commitment issues he may have. Then, proposing to you will be much easier. With this system, you will learn words that can be successfully utilized on any man. This means that these words can be utilized to attract men. It is also important to understand the meaning of these words. To ensure you use these words correctly, this system explains what these words mean. This system includes a guide that you can utilize to ensure that the man you choose only has eyes for you. This man will not have eyes for any other woman. James Scott's Guy Magnet also teaches you some night methods that can be used on any man. These will make the man fall for you without a word needed. Even the strongest man will fall for you because of these techniques, not because you are attractive. Guy Magnet pros and cons. Pros. Practical and simple to follow. There are countless programs and guidebooks out there that are very complicated. While they might be enjoyable to read, in the end, it is extremely difficult to implement in real life. On the other hand, Guy Magnet uses simple language. Can be used by any woman. Your looks do not matter with the system. The methods used in this system are so powerful that any woman, regardless of her looks, age, social status, income, or personality can use it. Very reasonable price when compared with similar programs on relationships. Guy Magnet is very reasonably priced. 100% refund guarantee. If you are unhappy with the results, you can always ask for a refund within the 60-day money-back guarantee window. Cons. Only available in a PDF format. This is a big drawback for those who still prefer the traditional paperback form. Also, there are no videos available to the program. Does Guy Magnet work? There are various types of systems that can be used to improve your self-esteem. These programs can also be used to find and meet the man of your dreams. However, there is some system that is a waste of money and just do not work. This is one of the reasons people are afraid to try these types of systems. However, Guy Magnet is not one of those systems. You are not wasting your money on this system because it works. Guy Magnet has been researched for many years and developed by an expert in relationships, James Scott. With the system, you will get all the information needed to meet the man of your dreams. Even if you are average looking, they will find you attractive. Guy Magnet will teach you great techniques such as making sure he will not have commitment issues.